Hello friends, I pulled my last video as soon as I heard that it had some technical issues, and I'm really hoping that this one has sound. So let me try to redo what I just did. I was so happy with the way that I explained everything too. So this is just for those people who have well, I mean, it's for whoever you want it to be for. It's if you want this video to be you, it's for you. I have had trouble in the past getting decals. Before you start painting on your decal, if you don't want bits and pieces of the original polish to come up, you lay down a layer of polish on your decal. The most commonly used one is Wet n Wild, the Wild Shine Clear Nail Protector. It's a great one for it. The brush length is great for what I'm about to explain. It's just a great product for it. And what I have figured out, and I haven't seen a video on this, but that doesn't mean there isn't one already out there, is that the best method for applying isn't floating, it's patting. And I'm going to do this real quick on all these. You see I've already done this because I just did it, but I'm going to go ahead and do it again so you can see what I do. So imagine that all of these here are just naked polish, okay? Just naked polish. Oh, by the way, I'm Reza. You've come to channel Reza Blade. This is one of my tips and tricks videos, and I try to make them really quick so that they are really quick and they are not annoying. So pat, 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 pat. You make sure that you cover all the polish with these pats. You don't worry about the shape of the decal at first, okay? You're just patting down, and if that means you need to make a really weird this kind of shape out here in order to cover that bit at the top, then that's what that means, okay? It's fine. So because I was noticing that even when I was floating, sometimes my decal was still being ruined by the flow of the polish. So, you know, I'm putting a lot of polish on, the brush isn't even touching, it's just the polish that's touching, and it's still being ruined. So what can I do? I started to pat my decals with the Wet n Wild, and what do you know, my decal success rate went up from 90% to 100%. So again, I'm just going where the polish is, and I'm patting this down very gently. No pressure at all, really. Just a very gentle pat. And we're going to go through all these. And you'll notice now why I have so many of these little rectangular clear jelly stampers. It's because these are great little decal things. So let's say I've got a mani that I want 5 of these little people for. Well, I don't have to wait for a free stamper. I make them all at once. Okay, so I've patted this down. I'm gonna wait about 10 minutes for it to dry, and then after your patting layer dries, you can go ahead and lay out the shape of your decal. One little tiny layer of polish is not going to ruin a decal shape. So once this is down, and remember that I've already patted a layer here, so this is a decal that's been set. So watch what I do. I just make the shape the way that I want it. There we go. So first layer is going to be your patted layer. Second layer is going to be your brushed layer. And the length of this brush means that you can pat a pretty good area here. So that is my observation. It's just an observation. It's something that's really improved the quality of my decals and the ease with which I can finish them. And I thought that you guys might be interested. If you think that my doing this video a second time in a row has decreased its potential quality, let me know and I'll re-record it and I'll explain everything a lot. But I think that you guys can get the gist of the padding technique just from this, I'm hoping. Please subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please thumbs up it or like it. And please comment or ask me any questions below. I love questions and comments and I get to them all. So let me know if you have any questions about this technique in particular, and I'll get to you really quick today. And if I need to explain anything differently, let me know. But again, the padding of the polish is all this is, and it's really made things very easy for me, and I hope that it makes things easy for you. So good luck with your decals and have fun making them, and show me those manis. See you later.